Here's a quick review of the Barksbar Orthopedic Bed for dogs. I ended up getting a large and the color is gray. Once you unbox it, the mattress is rolled up really tight, so once you unroll it, it's going to take a while for it to rise up. So I got the bed around 7 p.m. and then I unpacked it, left it out overnight, woke up, and as you can see, it's not fully even. The edges are a little bit thinner than the middle. So here are the instructions. As you can see, it says allow up to 24 hours for the foam to fully rise. I saw a couple of complaints on Amazon that said it didn't rise after 4 hours. You really need to give it a full 24 hours. The quality is really good. It's really soft. Construction is high quality. And I really like the bottom of the bed. It's really soft material. It feels like fleece, and I'm sure it'll be really warm, especially during the winter. So I left it out in the sun for another 3 to 4 hours, which ended up being about 24 hours. And as you can see, it finally evened out. So this is the back of the bed. So pretty much it's really straightforward. There's a zipper in the corner. And once you find the zipper, you just open it up and go ahead and insert the bed. So installation is really simple. Here I'm just opening up the back with the zipper and then inserting the foam mattress. So it fits very snug. I think taking the cover off and on is a pretty simple process, so cleaning will be really easy. So I went back and forth between this bed and the Friends Forever orthopedic bed. I chose this one because the inner sleeping dimensions seem to be a little bit bigger. I measured it at 35 inches in length and 25 inches wide. And then the side bolsters are around 7 inches high. Also, the Friends Forever bed is a lot more expensive at $120. So for me, it was a no-brainer. So as you can see, the bed fits perfectly. For reference, my dog is a mini golden doodle that weighs around 33 pounds. And he likes to stretch out sometimes when he sleeps, so I think the large is perfect for him. That's it for the review. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and if you thought this review was helpful, go ahead and click on the affiliate link in the description. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.